Yo, what is up, people? This is the NSK. Welcome back to another video by Cody. Last time we declared a couple of variables and we ended it there. So today we're going to be displaying a couple of stuff to the console. What have I done? What have I done? Okay, we're going to be displaying a couple of things to the console. So now let me show you what the console is. We don't just type these things here for fun, yeah? When you click the start button here on the top, a window will pop up, a console window will pop up. But at the moment it pops up and closes because nothing's happening. So let us actually display something first. Let us display. Since this is a Hello World project, let's display Hello World, because in Java, that's the first program you need to write. That was the first thing I was supposed to do, but hey, I forgot. So now to display to the console, what we're going to do is we're going to type here console, right? And then we're going to put a dot, and then we're going to write line. You can choose right, but then nah. And then inside the brackets, you're gonna type in, you're gonna give it a string to display to the console. Just put in the string and it's gonna display to the console. So now remember, a string is inside these double inverted commas. Yes, double inverted commas. Let us say hello world. Yes, when we run this should be displayed on the hello world, but then it's just going to display this. When we run it, it's going to display this and then it's going to close. To prevent it from closing, we're going to make it wait for you to press a button. So to make it wait, we're going to type console.read key and then put the brackets, semicolon. Remember, semicolon is like a full stop. Let's run this. When we run this, we have that. We have hello world. I hope you can see it. We have hello world. Yes, we have hello world. Now, remember the variables we created earlier? We're going to be using those variables. You can't just create variables here and then not expect to use them. So we want this thing to say hello name. So we want the name put in here. So when it says hello, it's gonna say hello, maybe hello VNSK. Yes, that's what we want to do. Now let us do that. Let's remove the world. So what we do is we concatenate the strings, which simply means we're going to add the two strings together. You can add strings together. When you add them together, it's just going to form one long string. Okay, now let's do that. We're going to come here outside the curly brace. We want to add a variable. So we're going to say plus. When we put name, it's not going to print out this name, but it's going to print out what is inside name, and what is inside name is the NSK. That's how variables work. They store data for us and we can retrieve the data anytime we want. We can even manipulate it. I'll show you how to manipulate the data a little bit later in the series. Let's run this and see what is displayed. Yes, you see it says hello the NSK, but then there's no space in between. You need to include that space. To include that space, you're just going to include it after the hello. You're going to put the space right over there. Okay, cool. But now let us skip this part and go to age. Let's go to age. We want to have a nice little detailed report that says the NSK, which is the name, which is my name, and then it's gonna print out my age, my health, my age and my health. Yeah, it's gonna print out my age, my health. So remember, when we want to display to the console, we write console dot write line. On the inside, remember, we want to display, we want to say name, we want to show name. What is this person's name? We're going to just put a plus sign and then put in my name over there, right? On the next line, I want to print out my age. We're just printing out a nice little report. This will give you a clear understanding of how variables work. Age, and then put a space there, and then plus, and then here we put age. And then I want to print out my health, how much health I have left. If this is a game, yeah, how much health I have left. So health is equals to plus my health. When we run this, it's going to display these lines. The first line is going to be name, second line is going to be age, third line is going to be health. Let us run that and see what happens. I hope this works. Yeah, it works. It displays my name, my age, and my health. We can store data in variables and we can retrieve the data inside those variables anytime we want. Anytime we want. Yes, that's it for this video. Do stay tuned, because in the next one we're going to be manipulating values inside variables. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment of what you wish to see in the upcoming future. Yeah, in the upcoming future. Peace out.